How to fix Ubisoft Connect error code 17014 in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first step is launch Ubisoft Connect as administrator. Right click on Ubisoft Connect desktop icon. Select Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Generally, you launch Ubisoft Connect by double clicking on desktop icon. Log in to the Ubisoft Connect app. And then try to run it. If this method doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the Ubisoft Connect client app. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps. Using the search box, find the app Ubisoft Connect. Click on three dots, select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Click on Yes on the user account control. Next, check both the boxes here and click on Uninstall. The app is uninstalled. Close. Now open a browser. Type Ubisoft Connect download. Press enter. Click on this link. Click on download Ubisoft Connect from here. Let the downloading complete. Once completed, click on Ubisoft Connect installer.exe. Click on Yes. Select a language and click on OK. Click on I accept. Click on Install. Click on Next and click on Finish. Now launch Ubisoft Connect. Log into the client app and try to run the game. The next method is, if your game has been activated on the Epic Game Launcher, close Ubisoft Connect. And re-download the game from the Epic Game Launcher. Re-download the game from here. Then it will work. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.